two chins.
He has what?
Look,
What are you looking at?
Look, I'm looking at that.
What is that?
What is it?
You tell me.
It's a boop.
He has two what?
It's a boop.
He has two chins?
Yeah, you have two chins, I'd say. Meow, 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 meow. Do this. Meow, meow. Take this picture. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Matthew poked me in the eye.
Oh, I don't think he meant to.
What you did, Matthew? You poked me in the eye.
Do you forgive him for doing that by accident?
Yes, I did.
So Matthew says, I'm sorry, Ethan.
Thank you, Matthew. It's okay. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry.
Oh, okay. Let's not sit on your brother.
I'm not sitting on him.
No, you're just hugging him?
I'm hugging him so much.
Why are you hugging him so much?
Because I love him.
You do?
Because he's looking at me.
He loves you.
So I hug him.